If you have the required permissions, you can review and then approve or reject a theme as required. To look over the theme, click Preview. You see the theme in web format, as well as the options to view the theme in print format on different devices, or to switch simulations to verify the design when different rules are applied. Note that you may not have all of these options for your theme. Let's click Print to see how the theme looks as a PDF or when printed. When you finish reviewing your theme, return to WorkShop via the application switcher. Now click More Actions. If you want something changed, click Reject. Otherwise, click Approve, then enter a comment. This icon indicates both the theme and the offer text included in the theme are now approved.